As Nicole said, I'm Mark Glindmeyer. I'm the CTO at SummaCor. And at SummaCor, we're committed to revolutionizing cardiac support, providing pulsating solutions that allow time for cardiac recovery. So as we just heard from all these other amazing companies, heart failure is a growing crisis, and we believe the current cardiac pumps aren't enough. At SummaCor, we're here to change that. So there's 6.5 million adults suffering from heart failure, and the annual incidence of that is projected to increase by 46% by 2030. There are over 1 million hospitalizations annually for heart failure, and this puts a $30 billion burden on the US healthcare system. There are over 1 million annual indications for percutaneous pumps in the US, and the current market leader, Impella, has only penetrated about 18% of this market. So how do we plan on solving this? We have our LCAP. So LCAP is our linear cardiac assist pulsatile pump. So this is a slow, linear, positive displacement pump that's deployed in the descending aorta. It safely unloads the left ventricle and enhances renal perfusion. And the pump stroke can be fully controlled and synced to the patient's heart. It's able to stop and start without impeding any blood flow. So quick video here on how it works. We have our pump element. So it goes in percutaneously through the femoral artery, deployed in descending aorta. And we have our pump element that on the power stroke, it expands and pushes blood forward. And on the backstroke, that element collapses, resets back to the beginning. And this cycle repeats indefinitely, mimicking the heart's natural rhythm. So key differentiators here are, as I said, our pulsatile flow. This improves organ perfusion, reduces systemic inflammatory response, and decreases incidence of postoperative deaths. We have high efficiency and high flow. We can get 7 liters of flow at only 325 cycles a minute. This is around 5% of the speed of existing axial pumps. As I said, this is a positive displacement pump, so this eliminates those high-speed spinning propellers and which can prevent hemolysis. We've done CFD studies that have shown near zero hemolysis or no hemolysis at any flow rate. We have quick deployment and removal. Current solutions can take up to 90 minutes to deploy. LCAP can be deployed in around a minute. We've had excellent animal study findings where we've seen reduced afterload, LV-EDP, LV-ESP, and CVP. We have seen improved LV function and ejection fraction with increased organ perfusion and cardiac output with no reduction in carotid blood flow velocity. We have an amazing advisory board with KOLs from Duke, UCSD, Stanford, Long Beach VA, SDSU, and many more that we don't have room to list on this slide. We currently have an open seed round that's going to get us through first in human next year. And we are planning for our Series A round that will allow us to solidify our regulatory and reimbursement strategies, as well as building out our team and finalizing our optimization of our device and get us to design freeze. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mark.